Welcome to this channel. We're thrilled to have you here as we explore the diverse world of furniture and decor. Whether you're looking to enhance your home or simply seeking inspiration, this video offers a comprehensive look at various categories of furniture that can transform any space, from the cozy comfort of bedroom furnishings to the stylish allure of salon furniture. Each piece plays a vital role in creating an inviting atmosphere tailored to your personal style. In this guide, we will delve into the essential elements of furniture and decor, highlighting their functionality, aesthetic appeal, and the ways they contribute to the overall ambience of your home. Each category is designed to not only meet practical needs, but also to reflect your unique taste and lifestyle. Join us as we navigate through these elements, helping you create spaces that are both beautiful and functional, perfect for relaxation, entertaining, or simply enjoying everyday life. If you've made it this far in the video, it's a clear sign that you're enjoying the content we've put together for you. We're dedicated to bringing you engaging and informative videos that resonate with our audience, and your support means the world to us. If you're new here, we would love for you to join our growing community by subscribing to the channel. Your subscription not only helps us create more amazing content, but also encourages us to keep improving and innovating. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Wooden decorative lighting. Lighting furniture encompasses a variety of fixtures that significantly impact the mood and functionality of any space. From elegant chandeliers that serve as statement pieces in dining rooms to sleek pendant lights over kitchen islands, lighting options can be both decorative and practical. Floor lamps and table lamps provide ambient lighting in living areas and bedrooms, allowing for adjustable brightness based on the activity. Wall sconces can add a touch of sophistication while highlighting architectural features or artwork, creating a layered lighting effect. The choice of materials, colors, and styles in lighting furniture can dramatically influence the overall ambience of a room. Modern designs often incorporate energy-efficient LED technology, making them both stylish and eco-friendly. Whether aiming for a warm, cozy atmosphere or a bright, functional space, the right lighting fixtures enhance the overall aesthetic and contribute to the comfort and usability of each room in the home. Wine holder. A wine holder is much more than just a storage solution. It's a stylish and practical accessory that caters to wine enthusiasts and casual drinkers alike. These holders come in a wide array of designs, allowing them to seamlessly integrate into various interior styles. For those who prefer contemporary decor, sleek metal or acrylic wine racks offer a modern aesthetic that draws attention while keeping bottles organized. Conversely, rustic wooden holders evoke a sense of warmth and charm, perfect for traditional or farmhouse-style homes. The versatility of wine holders means they can fit into any space, from kitchens and dining rooms to home bars and living areas, enhancing the overall decor. The capacity of wine holders is another important consideration, as they can accommodate a range of storage needs. Some holders are designed to hold just a few bottles, making them ideal for small spaces or for showcasing a curated selection of favorite wines. Others can store extensive collections, catering to serious collectors who want to keep their wines organized and easily accessible. Many wine holders also incorporate design elements such as temperature control features or aeration systems, enhancing the wine's flavor and preserving its quality. Whether you're entertaining guests, hosting a dinner party, or simply enjoying a quiet evening at home, a thoughtfully designed wine holder not only keeps your bottles neatly organized, but also serves as an attractive focal point that celebrates the art of wine appreciation, enriching your overall dining experience. Wooden living room furnishings. Living room furnishing is essential for creating a welcoming and functional environment where clients can relax and enjoy beauty treatments. Key pieces include styling chairs, which are designed for comfort and support, allowing stylists to work efficiently while ensuring client satisfaction. Reception desks are another vital component, as they serve as the first point of contact, often featuring storage for tools and products, and providing a space for client check-ins and consultations. The overall design and color palette of salon furniture should reflect the salon's brand identity, contributing to a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. In addition to the primary furniture pieces, Other elements, such as waiting area seating and styling stations, play a crucial role in enhancing the salon experience. Comfortable sofas and armchairs in the waiting area allow clients to unwind while waiting for their appointments. Styling stations, equipped with mirrors and adequate lighting, enable stylists to showcase their skills effectively. Thoughtfully designed salon furniture not only enhances functionality, but also elevates the overall aesthetic, making it an integral part of a successful salon business. Kitchen fixtures. Kitchen fixture combines practicality and style, playing a vital role in the heart of the home. Essential components include kitchen cabinets that provide ample storage for utensils, cookware, and pantry items. These cabinets come in various finishes and styles to complement the kitchen decor. A central island or breakfast bar can serve as a gathering spot for family and friends, doubling as additional workspace for meal preparation. Dining tables and chairs in the kitchen encourage casual dining, while bar stools add a modern touch when paired with counter-height surfaces. The choice of materials, colors, and designs in kitchen furniture can dramatically transform the space, making it warm and welcoming. Open shelving can be a stylish way to display dishware or decorative items, adding character to the kitchen. Thoughtful design in kitchen furniture not only enhances functionality, but also reflects the homeowner's personal taste. Shelves are versatile storage solutions that enhance both functionality and aesthetics in any space. They come in various designs, including floating shelves that create a minimalist look and sturdy bookcases that provide ample storage for books and decorative items. Shelves can be used to display personal collections, plants, or artwork, adding character to living rooms, kitchens, and offices. In addition to their decorative function, shelves help maintain organization by providing designated spaces for items. The material, color, and style of shelves can be customized to fit the overall decor, making them essential components in effective interior design. Open shelving in kitchens can display dishware and cookbooks, while decorative shelves in living rooms can highlight family photos and art pieces. By thoughtfully incorporating shelves into a home, individuals can maximize storage and create visually appealing displays that reflect their personal style. Bedroom furniture. Bedroom furniture is essential for creating a restful sanctuary that promotes relaxation and tranquility. The bed is the focal point, often featuring a sturdy frame and a comfortable mattress, with options ranging from minimalist designs to ornate headboards that enhance the bedroom's aesthetics. Nightstands provide convenient storage for bedside essentials, such as lamps, books, and personal items, while dressers and wardrobes offer ample space for clothing and accessories, helping to maintain an organized environment. Incorporating soft textiles, such as plush bedding and decorative cushions, adds warmth and comfort to the room. The overall design of bedroom furniture can evoke a sense of serenity, making it a perfect retreat for rest. Additionally, thoughtful lighting choices, such as bedside lamps and ambient fixtures, can further enhance the relaxing atmosphere, creating a cozy space that fosters a good night's sleep. Bathroom furniture. Bathroom furniture combines practicality with style, transforming a functional space into a personal oasis. Vanities serve as a focal point, often featuring sinks, storage for toiletries, and stylish countertops that enhance the room's aesthetics. Shelving units and cabinets provide essential storage solutions for towels, cosmetics, and cleaning supplies, helping to keep the space clutter-free. The choice of materials, finishes, and colors can significantly impact the overall design, creating a cohesive look that reflects personal taste. In addition, thoughtful design elements, such as mirrors and lighting fixtures, can enhance both functionality and ambience. Modern shower enclosures and bathtubs are designed for comfort and visual appeal, with options ranging from sleek glass designs to luxurious freestanding tubs. By carefully selecting bathroom furniture and accessories, homeowners can create a spa-like atmosphere that promotes relaxation and self-care, making the bathroom a true retreat. Chairs. Chairs come in a wide range of styles and functions, making them versatile pieces in any home or office. From ergonomic office chairs that support long hours of work to luxurious armchairs that invite relaxation, chairs cater to various needs and preferences. Dining chairs are designed to complement tables, with options ranging from formal upholstered pieces to casual wooden designs. Accent chairs can serve as decorative elements, adding color and texture to a room while providing additional. In outdoor spaces, weather-resistant chairs provide comfort and style for alfresco dining and relaxation. The right chair not only enhances comfort but also contributes to the overall aesthetic of a space. With a variety of designs, materials, and colors available, finding the perfect chairs can help create a cohesive and inviting environment, whether in a living room, dining area, or outdoor tables. Tables are foundational elements in any living space, serving various functions from dining to work. Dining tables come in numerous shapes and sizes, accommodating everything from intimate dinners to large gatherings, with options like extendable tables for versatility. Coffee tables serve as central pieces in living rooms, often doubling as storage for magazines and remotes, while side tables provide surfaces for lamps and decorative items. Desks are essential for home offices, offering functional workspace tailored to individual needs. The material and design of tables can significantly influence the style of a room. For instance, a rustic wooden table can add warmth to a farmhouse-style home, while a sleek glass table can create a modern, airy feel. Regardless of the type, tables facilitate social interaction and functionality, making them central to the daily activities and gatherings within a home. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content for you. We appreciate